Meanwhile, the president's 2023 Malaysia working trip is paying off in spades, beginning with a dairy plant in San Simon, Pampanga, that's set to churn out 32 million liters of pasteurized milk and 2.4 million liters of yogurt goodness each year. Millions of liters that translate to hundreds of jobs for Filipinos living near and around the dairy plant. Our Harley Valbuena has more on the president's hard-earned efforts that have squeezed out a healthful food product that does the body and the country good.
Another multi-billion peso foreign investment acquired by President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. in his foreign trips came to fruition. This is through the opening of a farm fresh milk plant in San Simon, Pampanga. President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. led the inauguration of the 3 billion peso facility. This investment is a result of the President's meeting with top officials of Farm Fresh Berhad Company in Malaysia in 2023. In his speech, the chief executive admitted how the Philippines is still dependent on imported milk. But with the opening of the new dairy plant, local supply milk is seen to grow significantly.
Sa tulong ng plantang ito, makakapag-produce na ng 32 milyong litro ng pasteurized milk, 32 million liters of pasteurized milk, and more than 2.4 million liters of yogurt every year.
The stable milk supply will also help achieve food security, given its versatility as an ingredient for bread, pastries, delicacies, and other food products. Milk is also crucial for the nutrition of Filipinos, especially children and infants. The multi-billion peso dairy plant is also seen to generate jobs and livelihood.
Magbibigay din nito ng mga oportunidad na magkaroon ng kabuhayan ng mga magsasaka at mga farm workers natin dito sa komunidad. Bukod sa mas epektibong produksyon, magbibigay rin ito ng mas magandang kinabukasan para sa ating kababayan.
The President then assured government support for the milk industry through the implementation of Dairy Industry Development Program, which provides loans and distributes dairy animals for farmers, along with training in milk collection and processing. The Marcos Jr. administration is also seeking to find more investments for the dairy industry. Harley Valbuena from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.